have you ever craved a juicy burger without the guilt?
Almost every day. We've got you covered this morning. That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Hey guys, Happy New Year. A lot of you made resolutions to start eating healthier. I'm gonna help you out with that. We're gonna make a healthy chicken burger today that's easy and tasty. Tasty, let's do it. For this one, you are going to need ground chicken, a ripe avocado, garlic, panko breadcrumbs, some green onion, and of course, your salt and pepper. This is 1 pound of ground chicken. They sell it in the store. It's an alternative to turkey. We've got a ripe avocado here, and I'm gonna slice into it. I go all the way around. Now, I go down, across, and scoop it right into my ground chicken. We've got our avocado in here, we've got our ground chicken. We're gonna use a fork and just mash up this avocado a little bit so the chunks aren't so large. It's okay for it to be a little chunky, but not huge. All right, we've got everything well blended. Now we're gonna add our panko breadcrumbs. We've got our green onions that we slice. This is like 2 green onions. It calls for 1 clove of garlic, but you guys know I'm lazy, and I'm just gonna use this good stuff that I get from the tube, garlic paste. And last but not least, as always, we season with a pinch of salt and some pepper. So we've got our meat scored, and now we're just gonna take it and make a patty. Pan is nice and hot. Boom, snap, crackle, pop. Gonna give this a flip. Oh, look at that. I would say to cook these about 2.5 minutes on each side. Yum, look at that. Got the grill marks. Beautiful. Who says healthy can't be tasty? Chicken avocado burgers. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nerey. Bon appetito.
You can find more information on this and other recipes on our website at WSVN.com. Just click on entertainment and then on Bite. That's also where you can dig into Belkys' Bite blog.
We're still making that burger.
I heard that at the end there.